in this video. The 4-hour time frame bullish divergence is playing out exactly as predicted. But on top of that, guys, we are now seeing a continuation of this major warning for the very short term with the Bitcoin price. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon nakita tayo ng bullish breakout with our broadening falling wedge, and this usually breaks to the upside, and diba on top of that, we were also monitoring this bullish divergence forming within the 4-hour time frame. And look at that, it's actually now playing out. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we are actually expecting a pullback anytime soon. And as of the time being, if you're going to look at the early time frame, we are now seeing this warning for the very short term, guys. Look at this. The price is increasing consistently. Look at that. Nag-increase yung price. At the same time, the RSI is declining. In that case, that is a signal for a bearish trend reversal. So, anytime soon, we might see a bearish pullback dito with the Bitcoin price. And with that being said, what are we going to watch out for the Bitcoin price action? So, at the time being, we are monitoring this ascending channel. So if this breaks bearish, then our target is first things first, the 38.6k. And another target would be around the 38,000 US dollars. So that is what we are going to do if we break bearish dito with our ascending channel. But if this break bullish, if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng bullish scenario, then what we are going to do is just we are going to get the height of this channel. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then as you can see, ganun yung magiging target natin. But as of the time being, wala pa tayong breakout na nagaganap. So we are going to monitor this within the very short term. But if this breaks, we are going to open a short position. And that could be a very good shorting opportunity right now with the Bitcoin price, especially when we are seeing this bearish divergence forming within the early time frame. And take note, guys, in order to confirm the move, we must have buy or sell volume upon the breakout, as well as we must have an early candle upon this breakout, regardless kung bullish or bearish. But guys, if you want to trade this latest opportunity with the Bitcoin price action, you can actually trade this with BingX kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to claim bonus with BingX, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So right on, that is what we are currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price, this ascending channel wherein we can actually short this if let's say we break this. But right now, we have that warning with the early time frame bearish divergence. So now with that being said, let's now dive into the Bitcoin dominance, and this is actually the altcoin market. As you can see right now, we are still playing within this ascending channel. But as you can see right now, I think we are starting to break dito. We are trying to break this ascending channel, but yeah, if we are going to continue this downward movement, then we are going to see a healthy movement for the altcoin market. So as much as possible, even if mag-decline si Bitcoin, tapos nagde-decline si Bitcoin dominance, though magde-decline yung mga altcoins, let's say nag-decline pa din si Bitcoin, but at the same time, if nagde-decline to, then it would indicate na altcoins are going to be healthy pa din within the coming hours. So as much as possible, dominance must decline in order for altcoins to remain healthy even during a Bitcoin dip or even during a Bitcoin pullback. So right now, that is what we are currently monitoring with the Bitcoin dominance. If this is going to continue, then altcoins are going to perform healthier than Bitcoin. Pero ang bad news dito, if nag-increase to, then that could indicate na altcoins are going to bleed. But right now, we are not yet seeing that. So as of the time being, altcoins are performing better with the Bitcoin price action. Diving into the Ethereum price action, we have now met our target exactly as predicted. So that was our target dito kay Ethereum. And diba, nagde-decline si Bitcoin dominance. So that is indicating na Ethereum is going to perform better. And look at that. That was our target. And diba, resistance natin was actually this Fibonacci retracement resistance. And we have now met the target. But if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, let's look at the early. Siguro walang signs of a bearish divergence or bearish trend reversal. But as you can see, I think we can try to plot a line dito with the Ethereum price action. Let's try to plot this line. You can see now we are forming a rising wedge. In this case, that could be a bearish pattern. But right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the Ethereum price action, this ascending channel or this rising wedge forming within the early time frame. Because if this breaks, then of course, our target dito would be the bottom of the channel or the bottom of the wedge, which is around the 2.6k dollar area. So that is what I am currently monitoring with the Ethereum price action if we break this. But if this breaks bullish, then of course, we're just going to get the height. Then yun yung magiging target natin for the Ethereum price action. And that could actually take us around the 3,000 US dollar area if let's say we break bullish. But wala pa tayong confirmation kasi wala pa tayong bullish breakout. So that's for the Ethereum price action. Diving into SLP, as you can see, we are still forming this descending triangle, still no breakout. And if you're going to break this, then of course, ito yung magiging target natin, yung sinabi natin kahapon. And that is more likely playing around the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So that is what I am currently monitoring with the SLP price action. Kasi as you can see, RSI is increasing, but this is a decisive move pa din. We have to wait out kung saan to mag-breakout, if either bullish or bearish movement. So as you can see, we have to break this 50 MA in the 4-hour time frame if we want to see a bullish scenario dito with SLP price action. And as much as possible, we must have buy volume in order for this to continue to the upside. Pero if let's say biglang nag-decline lalo si Bitcoin dito, then possible na mahatak si SLP pababa dito if let's say umakit bigla si dominance kasabay sa pagbagsak ni Bitcoin, tapos ganun yung nangyari, then we might actually get rejected by this 50 MA in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, the crucial area na you have to watch out for with the SLP price action is actually this resistance within the 50 moving average, kasi this could be a shorting opportunity. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, one of the only place na you can do that is actually in Bybit, kasi dito kay Bybit, you can actually trade SLP with leverage. And unlike kay Binance, walang ganun kay Binance. So if you want to trade SLP with leverage with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So aim muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.